show you her natural curly hair routine. Like myself, Elly's hair tends to get more dry throughout the day. Usually people with curly hair all have the struggle. So I'm going to section her hair in a few parts and just spritz it with some water and detangle it. So Elly has a combination of 2C and 3A hair. Some parts are more wavy while other parts are a bit more curly. I'm going to be taking my continuous fine mist spray bottle and my wet brush to detangle any of Elly's knots. This is a great combination that's going to be super gentle on her hair and to make sure that it's completely damp for styling. Today we'll be using Diva Curl Styling Cream and Believe-In as Elly's stylers. The styling cream is a great moisturizing alternative for a gel, and the Believe-In is going to give Elly so much volume, so it's such a perfect combination. To prevent Elly's hair from being too flat on the top, after applying the products, I like to shake the hair from the root, just so the curls are a lot more free. For the final step of the styling process, I like to go back in and section off a few parts of Elly's hair from the top. And I'm going to do this shaking method just to make sure that Elly's hair is not flat. This will help her curls be super full and bouncy. Oh, and another tip, scrunching your curls after applying the products is going to make your curls even curlier. To avoid any excess heat, I'm going to let Elly's hair dry for about 1 hour, and then we're going to diffuse it just so her curls are huge, bouncy, and super luscious.
One hour later.
I'm going to diffuse Elly's hair on the cool setting just so her hair stays shiny and to avoid any heat damage. In case some of you are unfamiliar with the whole diffusing method, it's amazing for curls because it does not disturb your curl pattern, and it also just dries your hair very softly and evenly. Next, I'm going to be taking an afro pick just to lift Elly's roots a little so her hair is a bit fuller. So this is the before and after, guys. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was super fun creating it for you. Like and subscribe, and we will see you again. Bye!